Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible features of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Certified by the FCC, these models are gearing up to be Samsung's flagship phones for 2025. Let's explore why the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra are generating so much buzz. FCC certification and models. The FCC recently certified the US Galaxy S25 models, and now the European and global variants are also seeking clearance. The lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra with model numbers SM MS9900, SM MS9900/31BDS, and SM MS9900/36BDS, respectively. These models will feature dual SIM capability for the global market. Ultra-wideband connectivity. Interestingly, the base Galaxy S25 model in the US won't have ultra-wideband (UWB) connectivity, but the European and global versions of all three models will support UWB. This technology enables precise tracking of items with Samsung's SmartTag 2, making it easier to locate your belongings. Charging capabilities. The Galaxy S25 supports 25W wired charging, while the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra offer 45W charging. Testing with European models confirmed these charging capabilities, ensuring that you stay powered up no matter where you are. Design and colors. We've also got a sneak peek at the color options for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Expect stunning hues like titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. These premium finishes will certainly make your device stand out. Key features and upgrades. Some of the anticipated changes for the Galaxy S25 series include a more rounded design, larger displays with slimmer bezels, and enhanced performance powered by the Snapdragon 8 chipset. These models will be the first to run Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7. Pricing and release date. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to start at around $1,299.95, but this could go higher due to the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Despite potential price increases, the S25 Ultra promises exceptional value with its advanced features. Battery and performance. While the S25 Ultra will retain the same 5,000 mAh battery as its predecessor, improvements in power efficiency with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset mean longer battery life. Early tests indicate a 27% improvement in power efficiency, allowing for all-day use without frequent recharging. Satellite connectivity and new features. Exciting news! The S25 Ultra may feature satellite connectivity for emergency SOS, similar to recent offerings from Google and Apple. This feature will be a game changer for those in remote areas.